All right, what I'm going to do here is clean up some broccoli, and I'm going to do it a little differently because I try to waste as little as possible in these big, the stalk part a lot of people throw away, and I don't. I peel it. So you just grab it with a little knife. This one's small enough you really don't have to do. But like this one, just cut that end a little bit and then grab it and just peel that. And it'll peel all the way up to the flowerette. So that hard part comes off. See? Here's the difference, let's see. See the color? See, you're peeling off the hard part. And then I'm just going to boil it. And all of this stalk that you would normally throw away becomes good and edible. And you just go through and do that to the whole thing. And you could actually even do it to this part. And then if there's any pieces on there, you just peel that. And now that goes in there. And you can cut that in half. And then peel these. All right, so I boiled that in really rapidly boiling salt water, hot, boiling. And I did it quick, but you could see, well, here, first look how green it is. That's because I boiled it in a pretty good sized pot. And then that stem that normally people would throw out, look how, see, it won't even stay on the fork. That's how soft. But it's not mush. It still has a body to it where it's firm, beautiful green, but not soft. So when you peel these, you get the whole thing. And then, like I said, boil it or steam it in really rapidly boiling water with some salt. A little butter, a little black pepper, a little salt. Done. It's perfect.